In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft One Block in Pocket Edition multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a one block map and play with your friends in Pocket Edition. This process is extremely convenient because all that you have to do is connect to a specific server. You will not have to download any additional tools or maps, and you will not have to pay for a Realms subscription. So all that you have to do is connect to this server, join.cosmosmc.org. So go over to the servers tab, scroll all the way down, and then add server. Give it whatever name you wish, make sure that the port is set to the default, and then on the server address type join.cosmosmc.org. When you type out this specific address, you will be able to go ahead, select it, and join. It is going to take a while, and after you go through the whole connection process, you will load straight into the server Cosmos MC. In here, as you might imagine, they are going to offer you the option to play one block. So there's going to be 4 main game modes, and you can explore those if you want, but the main one, the focus of this video, is going to be one block. Once you join one block, you can open the chat window and type /is. So type /is like so, and you might have to type /is space create. This will teleport you to your very own one block island. So as you can see here, I will be able to mine this block, and I'll be able to get progress and new items on my character. Now, obviously, you are currently playing alone, so what you have to do now is type /is space team space invite. This will allow you to invite a player, so you can send an invite to any player that is currently connected on the server. If they accept the invite, they will be able to join this specific island that you have made. So they will get a notification, they can open chat, and then click on your invitation to accept. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft One Block in Pocket Edition multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.